Toyota is on a major roll with new SUVs, especially the next-generation 3-row 2020 Highlander which debuted at the 2019 New York International Auto Show. Arriving in Toyota dealerships in winter, the Highlander gas model will arrive in December 2019 and the Highlander hybrid will make its way to customers in February 2020. Just as the first RAV4 launched the compact crossover SUV segment 22 years ago, the original Toyota Highlander redefined the midsize family SUV when it arrived in 2001. At a time when most midsize SUVs were truck-based, the Highlander's unibody structure with four-wheel independent suspension quickly became the template for a new segment of more comfortable and family-friendly SUVs. After adding a third row, the Highlander not only grew in size, but is also now the best-selling retail model in the segment since 2016. Now, the fourth generation of this benchmark SUV brings a new level of bold, distinctive design to a foundation built on safety, comfort, quality, durability and reliability set by predecessors. The 2020 Highlander amplifies all qualities while taking on a dramatic new design direction that combines a powerful SUV presence with sophisticated detailing. The 2020 Toyota Highlander's new sophisticated look covers a new vehicle platform called Toyota New Global Architecture (TNGAK). This robust new foundation, shared with other Toyota models, enables even greater capability, comfort and safety than before. The fourth-generation Highlander offers the choice between a powerful V6 or new generation hybrid powertrain, with the gas version offering a manufacturer-estimated 22 mpg combined fuel economy and the hybrid offering a manufacturer-estimated 34 mpg combined fuel economy. Pre-collision system with pedestrian detection offers automatic braking capability under certain circumstances should the driver not react in time in a system-detected emergency situation. Blind Spot Monitor (BSM) with Rear Cross Traffic Alert (RCTA), Parking Support Braking and Intelligent Clearance Sonar (ICS) are available depending on the model grade. The 2020 Highlander delivers renowned Toyota value in a choice of 5 grades, starting with a new L grade, then layering amenities and technology in La XLE, Limited and the top-of-line Platinum. The hybrid is offered on all but the L grade. The 2020 Highlander offers cutting-edge entertainment and connectivity for all ages through its intuitive and versatile multimedia system, including a new 12.3-inch touchscreen display on the Platinum grade and 8-inch on the other models. The available new JBL premium sound system delivers a whopping 1,200 watts of power to turn any music source into a mobile concert. The midsize SUV segment has become fiercely competitive, and the 2020 Toyota Highlander is ready to take on all. A new level of comfort. From the L grade to the top-of-line Platinum, the 2020 Highlander offers its plushest accommodations ever. Designers took inspiration from luxury-crafted interiors to create a more premium ambience. Details include softer padded surfaces and a more tailored look with stitching that continues from the door trim to the instrument panel. The dash integrates the multimedia and HVAC controls in an elegant and functional way. The 2020 Highlander cabin offers improved functionality throughout, from a center console that offers available Qi wireless charging to plenty of storage spaces and USB charging ports. On Limited and Platinum grades, new ambient LED lighting sets a relaxing mood. Inset steering wheel controls are a modern luxury touch on all grades. Highlanders have long been renowned for a quiet ride, and with the high-strength TNGA platform, Toyota pushes the bar even higher. Sound damping and soundproofing materials have been optimized throughout the vehicle, with the Takumi approach focusing particularly on minimizing noise in the frequencies that interfere with conversation. The seating color palette enhances the sense of luxury permeating the 2020 Toyota Highlander. The L and La grades offer comfortable woven cloth in graphite or black, the XLE offers embossed Softex artificial leather trim in harvest beige, graphite or black, while the Limited offers those colors in perforated leather trim. The top-of-line Platinum grade, the most luxurious Highlander ever offered, exclusively features embossed perforated leather trim in those 3 colors plus glazed caramel, a luxuriously delicious new brown. Multi-talented multimedia. However passengers listen to music and connect with their worlds, the 2020 Highlander is ready with the latest multimedia systems. All grades come standard with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Alexa in-car compatibility, Waze, SiriusXM, and Wi-Fi connectivity through AT&T. All Highlander models come equipped with Toyota Safety Connect with a 1-year trial subscription. Le and above grades offer service and remote connectivity. A move up to XLE or limited grade offers available dynamic navigation. A move up to Platinum grade offers standard dynamic navigation and the 12.3-inch screen. The JBL Premium Audio System is standard for limited and Platinum grades and rocks music of all genres with 1,200 watts of power playing through 11 speakers in 9 locations. Clarify technology breathes new life into compressed digital music formats, with the result like a mobile concert. The system will not, however, settle arguments over which music to play. Safety at its core. The new TNGA-K platform forms the foundation for exemplary collision protection in the 2020 Toyota Highlander, while a suite of standard driver assist technologies is designed to help prevent collisions, or to mitigate their impacts. The 2020 Highlander is equipped with the second generation of Toyota Safety Sense (TSS 2.0) blind spot monitor (BSM) with rear cross traffic alert (RCTA) are standard on Le grade and above. Rear cross traffic braking (RCTB) is available with clearance sonar on limited and above. The standard backup camera features projected path. A bird's-eye view camera with perimeter scan, available on limited and standard on Platinum, provides a live rotating 360-degree view around the vehicle. The 2020 Highlander is equipped with 8 airbags, including side curtain airbags for all 3 rows. Toyota's Star Safety System includes Enhanced Vehicle Stability Control (VSC), Traction Control (TRAC), Electronic Brake Force Distribution (EBD), Brake Assist (BA), Anti-Lock Braking System (ABS), and Smart Stop Technology (SST).